Some people in UK followed iftar time in Saudi. What is Islamic ruling, please? Iftar timing. No, those who are in UK, if they are opening their iftar based on the iftar of Saudi Arabia, then he is, making mistake, because Saudi Arabia is 3 to 4 hours ahead of us. And if he is following that time, and suppose if it is the iftar time in Saudi Arabia, still 3 hours we are behind. So you can't break your fast before that. You have to break your iftar based on your UK timing. This is one issue. Second issue, I've been watching yesterday 6 different TV channels, Islamic channels. And literally I saw that 2 channels have got 15-degree timing and 18-degree timing, which means 2 timings for the Sahri, a short meal before the dawn. And the 4 channels were having both times in the channel, both the timings, which means they have 15 and 18 in their one channel. They are showing that some people, they want to, those who want to go by 15-degree timing, they go by that, and those who want to go by 18-degree, they go by that. Alhamdulillah, I prefer for myself and my family 18-degree, and I stop eating at that particular time. Barakallah fiqh.